Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to make a 3D model use Triverse AI. This is one of the best AI tool to generate a 3D model just by past a simple prompt. You can generate like this 3D model. Look at the quality generator. It's actually a professional 3D design. You can generate with this AI tool by pass simple prompts or upload your image and turn it to a 3D model. Now we'll log in, and now we are inside on Triverse AI. Here you just passed the simple prompt for generate your image, and here we choose the size and the generator model and click generate. Now Triverse AI will generate me the image for my prompts. Let's show the results. Now this is the image generate me. It's finished, and now let's turn this into a 3D model. Here we choose the quality or speed and choose the size and click generate. Now Triverse AI will generate me a 3D model from my image I already generated by Triverse AI. Now this is my results. Finish. The tiger is turned into 3D model design. You can change all the color and you can just click on download it. That's it in this video. If you want to more AI tool review, subscribe and like, and see you the next one.